Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Framer for fast design to site publishing step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in framer.com and press enter. Once the Framer homepage loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner of the web page. You will be redirected to the registration form. Here, you can choose to sign up using your Google account or your email. If you select Google, click the Google option and follow the prompts to sign in. If you prefer to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password to secure your account. Make sure to meet the password requirements displayed on the screen. After entering your password, click Create Account. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for an email from Framer and click the verification link inside. Once verified, return to the Framer website and log in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, explore the dashboard for design tools. Click on New Project to start a fresh design. Choose a template or start from scratch according to your preference. Begin designing your site using Framer's intuitive interface. Utilize the available components and features to enhance your design. Once you're satisfied with your layout, click on the Publish button. Follow the prompts to select your domain or publish to Framer's default domain. After your site is published, review it to ensure everything appears as intended. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Framer and published your design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.